In this video I will show you how to create AI avatar from your photo for free. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And now in that tutorial I'm gonna use PicsArt app, so if you haven't got this app installed at your device, you should go to your App Store or Google Play and first install PicsArt app at your device. After that you can open it up, and on that step I got some inspiring photos, so I can scroll down to see those photos, and if I like some photo I can try it with your photo. But here I can't see good examples to show you, so let it be that one. That one is quite good, I can pick it up. So now I can choose my photo and then apply all that effects to my picture. So I can hit right here at choose my photo button. That brings me to that step where I have to proceed access for more photos, and that opens up my camera roll, and from here I can select any picture that I want. Let it be that one. Now I can hit on done, and on that step, in order to apply that effects to that picture, I can hit at that picture once, and now I can hit on next all the time to apply all the effects one by one. See how it looks like. I just hit on next again, then next, 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 and then next. Next all the way. As a result, I got this picture with all the effects. I can hit right here at that icon to save these two photos, and also I can cancel all the changes. I can go to the main page, and from here I can tap at that plus sign and then just upload my image right here without the inspirational tab. I can hit right here at proceed to show up my camera roll, and now let me select some image. Let it be that one. So now I can hit on done to upload that photo. I can see that photo now right here. I can also tap at all photos to see all of them. So now I can hit at that photo once, and then right here you can easily find that effects tab. Let me scale this picture for a bit. So just hit at effects, and then you can add any effect that you want to that image. So you can drag this bar left or right to see some different effects categories. I like magic one. So now on magic you can, by selecting these effects, add them to that picture. Some combinations can be very suitable for that specific image. So now I like that effect. I can hit it here once, and then I can customize it. I can in that way change the design of that picture. I like the first one that names normal, and after that I can add more effects here, or I can hit right there at that icon to save this image to my photos. That's basically all about how to create AI avatar for free. So now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my other iPhone tutorials playlists, where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.